So you'd like to connect your hosting domain directly into a Wix website. So you have a domain at the hostinger and the site at the Wix. I'm going to be showing you how to do this process really fast. To add the domain directly here into the Wix, you wanted to start directly here into wix.com. Here I wanted to go for my website that I currently have. I'm going to go for the upper left corner, choose the actual site that I currently want to be focused on. Let's say for example this one. I click directly into it and we are now into the dashboard of a specific website. Now I wanted to go and focus for my settings, which usually appears into the left section that says settings. Now here I wanted to focus for the option that says domains, here that appears into the site domain and CEO. Now you need a Wix premium plan in order to continue, so make sure you have upgraded first. Here I wanted to tap into my hostinger domain, and Wix will be recognizing that it's hosted elsewhere and ask if you wanted to connect it. For this I wanted to go for my domain portfolio and of course try to make the purchase directly inside here. Now currently we don't have an actual domain purchases into Hostinger, so we're going to be trying out with this one into GoDaddy, but the process actually is going to be really simple and it's exactly the same. So I choose to copy and paste my domain from Hostinger, and it says that the domain is already been taken. Is it yours? Let's say yes, I own this domain, and then once again it will be asking you to upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect your domain. Now there's an actual article from Wix, the Help Center, that's going to be showing you something like this. Basically this basic element is going to be showing you that this can be done automatically and you don't need to do anything else, because Wix will now display the two records, usually something like the ns1.wixdns.net, something like that. So you copy this in order to get the hostinger element if you wanted to do this manually. So basically here you wanted to switch over the hostinger H panel, and here you wanted to find the domain you wanted to connect and click into the managed. As I just told you, we're going to be doing this directly here into GoDaddy. The process is exactly the same. Just find the DNS registers, and here what I wanted to do is to click into change the name servers. So here into the name servers, I currently have, for example, ns29. I wanted to change this for ns1.wixdns.net. And Hostinger will warn you that your email might stop working if they were hosted at Hostinger. So you have a Hostinger email, you will need to re-add those records in Wix later and hit for the option that says save. Now to verify and to propagate, you want to head back directly here into the Wix and make sure that you have made the changes and start listening, for example, for those new name servers. This doesn't happen instantly. It takes time for the internet phone books to update. So it usually takes from 1 to 2 hours, but it can be legally take up to 48 hours. Once the domain connects, Wix will be automatically start the SSL process. If you see a not secure warning for the first 30 minutes, just be patient, it's totally normal. I'm going to be leaving you the description this specific article, how you can make the actual connection to the domain, whatever domain that you currently have, to the Wix name servers. So this is how you can actually make the quick and easily connection between all of our actual elements. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools to help you get started with Wix and the connection of more servers and domains. Thank you once again for watching, guys, and see you next time.